how to add captions to a YouTube video. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys, and it's pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So first of all, in order to actually add captions or subtitles on a YouTube video, you want to scroll all the way down and make sure that you actually have selected the correct video language. So in this case, that is English. And if you go to video elements, you are now able to add subtitles. So if you click on add, you actually have three options. So type manually, create subtitles and closed captions by typing them in as you watch the video. This is not recommended because this will take hours upon hours. It will simply waste your time. Now, the auto sync is actually half decent. Type or paste in a full transcript of the video, and subtitle timings will be set automatically. So this is actually pretty good if you have a full on transcript, but if you don't, then this is as bad as the type in manually. Now the third option is upload a file. So a subtitle or closed caption file contains the text of what is said in the video. It also contains time codes. So this is actually very good. Now for this, you actually need a .srt file. Now to get such a file, you want to click on the link in the description of this YouTube video. This is a direct link to Veed.io, and you will get to this page. Now this is a tool which allows you to add automatic subtitles or captions to your YouTube video, download an SRT format, and then upload it over here. Now if we click on start for free, you will be brought to this page, and this is where we want to add our YouTube video. So I'll add it into here. We can now see that this is the YouTube video, and what you want to do is click on subtitles on the left. Now this is one of the many great tools this Veed.io has to offer, but you will have two options. So automatically generate captions or subtitle your video in a new language. I'll just click on the captions one because that is what you probably wanted. Then click on here, what language is being spoken. Make sure that you have selected the correct language. There are actually many languages, as you can see. Then click on create subtitles, and you'll just have to wait a little. And once it is done, you can actually see all of the captions over here. This is great. Now you might have noticed it that on the left, there are actually some orange words. Now these are actually low confidence words. Now you can, for example, click on here. You can play the video. You can, for example, listen a bit. Oh, is this actually what I have said? And then if that is correct, then you can click on mark as correct. If not, then you can, for example, change it. I, for example, know that it should be like that. Then I can go, for example, to this part and listen to a bit. Oh, is this correct? It actually is, mark as correct. So that's how you can do that. Now, in order to get a .srt format to upload it over here, you want to click on options and then click on download and click on .srt format. When you've downloaded that, you want to click on upload file with timing, continue, and then select the file. And that is as easy as it is. But if you click on here, you do actually have to get the pro version. Now, this actually has a lot of benefits. As you can see, you can easily do a lot of subtitles for YouTube videos. So if you do this a lot, it's actually very nice. So if you actually plan on doing so, then with my link in the description, you will also help me out greatly as well. So thank you for that in advance. Now there is actually a small way to sort of like bypass this, but it's also pretty limited because Veed.io doesn't allow to generate subtitles for videos, for example, longer than 10 or 20 minutes. So if you have a very short video like I have, then this is actually easily doable. So what you can actually do is copy all of this with Control and C on your keyboard. Then you can go to the auto sync over here, then paste in everything with Control and V, and then click on done. Now this will sort of like save it, and then you can go back and click on edit. And then as you can see, YouTube has done the automatic like sync. So now I can, for example, play this and listen to this and actually notice that it's actually synced up very well. So that's basically it. That's how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.